Hey, Matt Brulette here with MarineMax Boston. We're on a 2025 210 SPX. Great boat. They did a great job redesigning this. As we know, Sea Ray's been around forever. So real quick, you see right behind you here with a 200 V6 done by Mercury. It's that white upgrade. We got the ash interior. Storage down here as you walk in. All your you got lights everywhere. Simrad touchscreen display, GPS chart plotter. Up here, we already have the sun pad like all set up for you. Additional storage right down here. Put a table in there for your bow filler cushion, everything. So as you can see, this seat will go up and back and forwards. There we go. Just real quick, just wanted to show you the 21 SPX. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat, we have incentives. We got the boat show around the corner. Feel free to give me a call, 603-320-5524. Matt Brulette with MarineMax Boston. Thanks.